Tools for guys. We get the job done.
Breaking news now, Tools for Guys have released new t-shirt designs. If you think this one's cool, check the link in the description below.
Jason here with Tools for Guys, and wanted to do another quick tool review. I recently just trimmed my trees. You can see here, you can even see I've still got some more, cutting up to do here so I can put it on the side of the road and our folks will take it. But I did a recent review on Fiskars pole saw, but since I was doing this and since I was going to need to cut these branches up in smaller pieces so that our dumpster folks will take it, thought I'd do a review on this real quick. So this is Fiskars, I call it a branch cutter. All right, so this one allows you to, if you just unlatch here, pull it down, unlatch the other side. By doing so, yes, it does give you a little bit more reach, but that's not the real main reason. It's by unlatching those and extending it, it actually allows you to have a lot more leverage, giving you a lot more power. So what I really want to do a review on real quick here, if you can kind of get in, this says it can cut up to 1 3/4 inch size branches. So I really want to give that a test. Now I have had this for, about 4 years, as long as the pole saw, and have used it many times, and it's always done a really good job for me. No complaints whatsoever. So what I'm going to do is first, I'm going to show you how it kind of goes through the little branches, no problem, and then we'll give a test on a 1 inch 3/4. All right, so let's put this thing to the test. Here's some branches. I mean, these are about maybe 3/4, 1 inch in size. So we'll give that a chomp here. Not too bad. I mean, you saw how it was. I don't know, not even half my strength there. Here's another one that's even less. I think that's about maybe 3/4. Obviously, these little ones are nothing. This is about a 1/2 inch, no problem. Going through it pretty easy. Alrighty. This is about a 1 inch here. That one took a little bit more. All right, but yeah, just want to give just so you can kind of get an idea of the strength. Now, I did measure this particular one. So if you can see here, this is right about 1 3/4. All right, perfect. So we're gonna put that to the test. Now, first of all, I'm gonna try without the extenders, okay? Here we go. Oh yeah, so you can see I'm having to work that one, pushing it on my knee a little bit, thigh. But it did go through. Now I want to do it. Let's see how much easier it is with the extenders. How much more leverage this gives me. All right, here we go. Ooh. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, that one. Yep. Well, I say yep. Woo. Let me try it. Probably still have to. Well, I feel like that's actually gonna. I feel a little bit better with it right here. Okay, so you can see that it did cut the 1 3/4 inch. That worked, but it definitely took quite a bit more strength the second go around. I think it was slightly thicker, but there you have it. Hey, it does what it says it can do. A lot of the other branches that are smaller doesn't take really any more physical strength, but that 1 3/4, that definitely took a little bit of strength out of me. Had to even use my thigh there. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Tools for guys. We get the job done.